Google Gemini versus Perplexity AI. Who wins? Both AI tools are fighting for the top spot right now. One crushes research and gives you real sources. The other one can actually control your browser like a human. I tested them both side by side, and the results shocked me. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to use to make more money. Let's go. So here's the deal. Everyone's talking about AI in 2025, but most people are using the wrong tools for the wrong jobs. And that's costing them time, that's costing them money, and that's keeping them stuck. Today I'm breaking down Gemini versus Perplexity. These are the two biggest AI tools right now that aren't ChatGPT, and they're totally different. One is built for live research and citations. The other is built for deep thinking and automation. And if you pick the wrong one for your task, you're going to waste hours. I'm going to show you exactly what each one does best. I tested them both with the same prompts, same tasks, side by side, and the winner surprised me because it's not about which one is better overall. It's about which one wins for what you're trying to do. Let me give you the bottom line right now. If you need fast research with real sources and links, Perplexity wins. If you need complex reasoning, image analysis, or browser automation, Gemini wins, but most people need both, and I'll show you when to use each one. Here's why this matters right now. Gemini just released version 2.5. This thing has a thinking mode that reasons through problems step by step. It also has computer use. That means it can actually control a browser, open tabs, click buttons, fill out forms like a real human. That's insane. No other AI can do that right now except Claude and Gemini. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Perplexity just upgraded their mobile app and made their citations way better. They're all in on live web retrieval, real-time facts, clickable sources. That's their whole game. They want to replace Google for research. So you've got two totally different approaches here. One is trying to be your research assistant. The other is trying to be your automation assistant. And both are getting really good at what they do. Let me walk you through exactly what I tested. I ran 5 tests: live facts and citations, complex reasoning, image understanding, browser automation, and creative writing. Each test shows you exactly where each tool shines and where it falls apart. All right, test number 1, live facts and citations. This is where Perplexity is supposed to dominate. I asked both tools the same question. Summarize today's top news about AI and give me 3 sources with links. Perplexity came back in seconds. Clean answer, 3 clickable links. Each source was labeled right next to the claim. I could verify everything instantly. That's exactly what you want when you're doing research or writing content or checking facts. Gemini gave me an answer too, but here's the thing. The sources weren't as clear. It pulled from its knowledge base plus some web retrieval, but the citations weren't in line like Perplexity. I had to dig to find where the info came from. For quick fact checking, Perplexity is the clear winner. If you're a journalist or researcher or content creator who needs verifiable sources fast, use Perplexity. End of story. Test number 2, complex reasoning and structured output. I asked both tools to plan a 4-week study schedule to learn Kubernetes for a beginner with daily tasks and checkpoints. This is where Gemini 2.5 flexed. It gave me clean headers, numbered lists, week-by-week breakdown, daily tasks, checkpoints at the end of each week. Everything was organized perfectly. The stepwise reasoning was clear. I could follow the logic. Perplexity gave me a decent answer, but it wasn't as structured. The formatting was messier, and it didn't break things down as clearly. For complex planning tasks or when you need clean, structured outputs, Gemini wins hands down. Now, here's where it gets crazy. Test number 3, image understanding. I uploaded a screenshot of a website with some errors. I asked both tools to explain what was wrong and suggest fixes. Gemini crushed this. It identified the errors immediately, explained what each one meant, suggested specific fixes. The multimodal reasoning was impressive. It understood the context of the image and gave actionable advice. Perplexity tried, but it's not built for this. The image analysis was basic, it missed details. For anything involving images or screenshots or diagrams, Gemini is miles ahead. And speaking of getting ahead, if you want to save hundreds of hours and scale your business with AI automation, you need to join the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I share the exact workflows and tools my team uses to run our 7-figure agency. We automate lead generation, content creation, client outreach, everything. You'll get access to proven AI systems that actually make money. Not theory, real results. The link is in the description. Join us inside. All right, back to the tests. Test number 4, this is the one that blew my mind: browser automation. I asked Gemini to perform a real browser task: extract product prices from a website. Gemini 2.5 has this computer use feature. It can actually interact with web pages, click buttons, type in forms, navigate sites. I watched it work in real time. It opened the page, found the products, extracted the prices, put them in a list, all automatically. This is a game changer for automation. Imagine using this for data scraping, form filling, testing websites, monitoring competitors. The use cases are endless. Perplexity can't do this. It's not built for automation, it's built for answers. So if you need an AI that can actually perform tasks on the web, Gemini is the only option right now. But here's the catch: this feature has limitations. It's not perfect yet. Sometimes it makes mistakes. You have to supervise it. But the fact that it exists at all is crazy. We're watching AI evolve into actual agents that can complete tasks for you. Test number 5, creative writing. I asked both tools to write a 90-second viral script about AI safety in a sarcastic tone. Both did well here. Perplexity was concise, punchy, good tone. Gemini was creative too, slightly longer, more detailed. Honestly, this one was close. Both can handle creative tasks, but Gemini had slightly better formatting and structure. For pure creativity, it's a tie. Use whichever interface you like better. Now let's talk speed and user experience. So here's my final verdict. Which tool should you use? It depends on what you're doing. Use Perplexity if you need live facts, verifiable sources, quick research, or citation heavy content. If you're a journalist, researcher, student, or content creator who needs to back up claims with real links, Perplexity is your tool. Use Gemini if you need complex reasoning, structured outputs, image analysis, or browser automation. If you're building systems, automating workflows, analyzing visuals, or planning complex projects, Gemini is your tool. And honestly, most people should use both. I do. I use Perplexity for quick research and fact checking. I use Gemini for planning, automation, and multimodal tasks. They complement each other perfectly. The mistake most people make is trying to use one tool for everything. That's like using a hammer for every job. You need the right tool for the right task. Now you know which is which. Here's what I want you to do. Pick one task you're working on right now. Choose the tool that fits. Test it. See the difference. Then come back and tell me in the comments which one worked better for you. I read every single comment. And if you want to take this further, if you want to actually make money with AI and not just play around with it, join the free AI Money Lab. Inside, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents. You'll get access to over 1,000 free workflows. You'll see exactly how one member made over $10,000 with ChatGPT. You'll get a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI, plus a free AI community, free AI course, and proven AI case studies. The link is right below this video. Join us inside and let's scale your business with AI automation. That's it for today.